Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. This time we're demonstrating a Panasonic 8-track receiver. It's an AM-FM-8 track. And there's not going to be a whole lot to test on it because there's no virtual balance and fader. It's not a conversion, so we're just making sure it works to original stock. So let's go ahead and turn it on. I've got it set to FM at the moment. Okay, we'll go to AM real quick. Check that.
In the Fry's Shopping Center. Ciao.
Okay, there's our AM. All right, let's try our tape. We got both speakers. Balance left, balance right. We get the end of a song. Check our head alignment. No crosstalk. That's good. Okay, there we go. So there's that, and that takes care of that, and we're good to go. So I'm ready to get on to the next job. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below. Please read the entire homepage and download and print the work order before calling me with a bunch of questions, because that's what the website and the work order are for. Those will answer at least 95% of all your questions, and then you're welcome to call me after you've done all that stuff. Sorry guys, I've got to be on the bench to put out work, and I don't get anything done on the phone, so I'm limiting my phone contact to as little as possible. So please visit my website as a first step towards contacting me. Thanks so much for watching and listening, and thank you, Bob, for your second job from Arizona, and we'll see you guys next time.